apparently the PowerPoint I used yesterday was the older version. So, pagto siya kasumpayan. There's actually some important things that we need to be familiar. And balik na lang po rin, sunod lang po rin for the minimum sizes of our grade 12s. So, we have the same values in our LCP. This is from the book, chapter 14, but it has the same value in our LCP, except that there are no wala na English values. Okay, so you have to be aware that for this table, this is the thickness of the thinner member to be joined. Okay, so tayo lang sa mas nipis because there are times na mas nipis at isa ka member versus the other member. So kung the same na ang thickness, so it's okay, no problem. Okay, and if it's 16 mm down, so the thickness of that thinner member, the minimum thickness of your web should be 3 mm. So asa ka ng 3 mm. So this is our well. This is your 3 mm. Pinito siya. Visually or theoretically, we should equal because 45 degrees manito 45 degrees ang area. So this is 3 na siya. And then it's somewhere between 6 to 13. 13 is around 13 mm is already around half inch. Okay. 1 inch is 55.4 millimeters. So half inch na siya. So the minimum size of your web is 1.5. It's the minimum. And of course, now if your combinations will require more than that, you need second pass. So, single pass pwede siya inisila ng mga big pass. And if 13 to 19, you have 6, and then more than 3/4, 19 mm, you should have 3 and since natin minimum, we also have some maximum sizes. I don't know if naliga ako. Wala na po. If itong size minimum, this one is for the maximum size. So, the same lang, the thickness of the thinner part, if it's less than 6 mm, should be equal to the thickness of the material. If 6 mm or more, the thickness of the material minus 2 is the maximum well, what happens to that? For example, na kay lockwood, naman kay well, supposedly yan. So to ensure na dili na siya mag-full, muna ka pa may nusa na siya o doing kaya katibali. Kaso ba kayo siya lang. So that's why I minus them 2 mm. Okay? And then we also have some minimum length to follow. Okay? So yun guys, may not be less than 4 times the nominal leg size of the bone. So this is your leg size, not the thickness. So minimum length to look sa inyo well. For example, this is the minimum ko ng left adding should be for so that should be 4W. So 4W minimum, no? Hindi lang less than 1. Okay, so naaman tayo given usually na length 12 going to check that if pasal pa siya sa 4W required for the minimum length of well. And then for the yes, mo namin kahapon kung iapas. So I was wondering kung ano siya na-update. I already included it. By definition, you have your end loaded filling well. So end loaded meaning applies to connections where the load is transferred to the end of the well. Example is one, the Bira. Okay. Of course, no, yan po yung counter up. Counter po siya, and eventually more transfer na siya dito sa inyo. That's what you call end loaded. Okay. And then yung fillet wells, see a certain length, size, to length ratio. And such wells are end loaded, it can become too long. So, motong explain ako no, the longer wells no, may not be necessary in your welding because it will not offer much more resistance. We have some beta factors, no? We have some beta reduction factors so that the length will be minimized. And then same way you have the L over W is 300. So the beta for that is 0.6. Not 0.2, no? Yung 0.8 for 200. The LW is around 200 or equals 200. It's 0.8. And then otherwise, we should be using this equation 1.2 minus 0.002 multiplied by the ratio of the length versus the weld na pinigilid sa weld. As to minsan siya derive, sila na yung halimbawa naman, yung sila nila yung derive sa ilang natin sila. And of course, here no, this is from our ECB chapter 5 and this is section 10.2.4. In this kind of our well, these are two, no? Para ayan, base metal, ito na yung binding, no? This is the nominal strength multiplied by the stress times the area of your base metal. The area is the constructional area of the base metal. And then for the well, you have your FW, AW, and for the reduction factors, if you're using LRFP, you have 0.75 and no requiring siya ng ASD, will be using 2. And then, yes, another one yung ipangita kahapon na 0.6. So, siya na, ipangita sa daan ko siya ng PowerPoint. So, I don't know na tutungan. But, what is siya, for the well, no? This is for the well na well spread, no? Area spread, no? The size spread, or nominal spread of your well, it's FW times for AW. FW is 60% lang daw of your one of the situation, the one of the space, strength balance of your electro. Ano 60% from an answer? Basic, no? In their experiment, they found out, no, na siguro 40% will be used for the allowance siguro. Possibly, parang will. In any case, it's just 60% to be used in your, based on the specifications of your welding electrode. There's an angle here. Okay, so if that is zero, wala siya given, of course, the zero, so automatically mawala na. Accumulate of loading measured from the well, I think is quali siya, no? Kung naanin siya, include something, diba? Pero di na lang siya simple question. Okay. Naman siya nagpipa sa simple. I think is used for accepting coding. I'm not sure with you. And then you have your area of your well. The area of this is by definition that's the flow. Meaning flow. Multiply the length of the well because that is your failure plane. And by the way, no, isa po din no, 1.6 kasi it's because shear mo din siya na failure na ito. Shear failure na critical for the well. If you notice na po na ratio to shear kay 9.6 napakapit. And the black shear, if you remember, 0.6 if you for shear, usually for shear is 60% kasi sa total load no, or total capacity of your member or your structure. Okay, so if groups, so not covering groups. Okay, so this happens if you have your base hindi ay tama po siya well, which is usually the case. Which is usually the case. You have your longitudinal wells, no, based on the direction of your loading, and then you have your transverse well. And so for the transverse, 1.5 factor, no? So it's still the nominal spread. Although I think in our example today, we will just be dealing with the longitudinal transition. The generic is this one. What else? Here, no? Taas-taas na siya natin sa pikas. First na, isend na actually erase. But this one in particular, related ang failure wells na mga strength available strength. These are your reduction factors or safety factor, and balik na dali si 0.6 or at least kita na dali si 0.6 of your electrical. This one I cannot find yesterday na balik siya na power. Okay, so we will discuss this later. For that, questions so far?